Hello guys, I'm Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss enumeration in C programming. So let's get started. Enumeration is a user-defined data type in C language. It is used to assign names to the integral constants. The names make a program easy to read and maintain. We are going to use a keyword enum to declare an enumeration. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of enumeration. Guys, as I said earlier, we are going to use a keyword enum, then we will use enumeration name, and then we will use const1, const2 and const3 in enumeration. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you an example of enumeration. Guys, in this program we are going to implement an enumeration. So first of all, I have declared an enumeration week with the help of enum keyword, and there are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday elements in this enumeration, and we have separated these days with the help of a comma, and after that I have put semicolon at the end of this enumeration, just like structure and union. And now in the main function, I have declared an enumeration variable day and I have assigned Friday to this variable day. Now guys, I am going to print this day with the help of this printf function. And guys, in enumeration, indexing starts from the 0. So Friday will be at index 4. So guys, now if I run this program, it will print 4. Like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, in this program we are taking another example of enumeration. So I have declared enumeration year, and January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December are the members of this enumeration. Now guys, in the main function I have declared an integer variable I, and now in this for loop I have assigned I by January, and the condition is I less than equals to December. Now guys, if I run this program, it will print from 0 to 11 like this, because in enumeration indexing starts from the 0, because there are 12 months in an year. Now moving forward guys, we can assign some specific value to these enumeration members. So for example, I have assigned 50 to Friday. Now guys, if I run this program, we will get 50. But guys, if we want to print the value of Monday, then still it is giving 0, because we have changed the indexing of these members from Friday. So guys, now let's print the value of Monday here. Now guys, if I run this program, we will get 0. And now guys, if I want to print the value of Sunday and run this program, then we will get 52. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.